Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos today. On my right hand is our new display for the Shawarma machines on the countertop stylings. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the unit's entire length, they are about like a 25 inches deep. And the overall heights include a hinge, it should be around like a 46 inches. And the length of the unit is about like a 21 inches wide. So as we can see, the units, they have a straw in the middle. You can place your meat right here. And also we do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 burners. They give you the individual controllers on the side so you can adjust the fire for each of the layers. And at the bottoms, they have a basis to collect all the dust and the oils. They have a small drain hose at the front. So they come in with waste trays at the bottoms. And inner side from the manufacturer, they give you a couple of accessories. And also they do give you the adapters. You can use it either for the natural gas or liquid propane. And also from the bottom at the front, we have a power switches to control this motor running stops. And on side of the units, we have a couple of stickers displayed from the manufacturers. They give you the ETL sanitation certifications. You can see all the caches information, BTU information on the side of the stickers. And from the back of the units, we can see they do have a gas pipe connections. And at the bottoms, they come in with a 110 plugs. So this one using for the motors running the machines, and which can spinning and to making the heat all the way. And also the manufacturers, they give you a regulator connections, this accessory, so you can adapt on the behinds too. And this will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.